This is a curious case of the alphabet A. A is part of our vowel A E I O U. A E I O U is the only alphabets that do not restrict your tongue, your throat, or lips while pronouncing these alphabets A E I O U. So these are the vowels that are very important in English language. But in our schools and in our kindergarten, we are never taught A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, up till Z is equal to 26. So the most important learning here is if you take from A to Z as the circle of life itself, from starting from A, point A, that is A is equal to 1, and ending with Z is equal to 26. That is the circle of life ending with 26. What is the significance of going through the alphabets from A to Z in the circle of life? So I will explain to you in a simple manner. Okay, so if A is equal to 1, we start with, in the beginning of life, we start with the letter A. From the A, we start to grow, and as we grow, we go to B, C, D, like that, 1, 2, 3 in the alphabetical listing. We go ahead. So, as we enter the circle of life and move forward in the circle of life, as we age, we go on expanding our knowledge of more of alphabetical knowledge, more of our mother tongue, more of our English language, more of our usage of language, more of our the communication methods. So in this way, we progress in the circle of life. So, in this circle of life, if we take a similarity to alphabetical listings of A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, as we move on, at one point of time in the circle of life, we are surely going to end, because those who come here have an end for their physical body. For A is equal to also the Atma. Atma, there is no death. A is equal to Atma. The Atma is never going to die. But in the physical part of the body, there is an end. So when you comes to an end, your body gets merged with the five elements. That is the fire, rain, sky, and water. So like this, it gets merged with the five elements, the body. So but the A, which is equal to Atma, never ends. So this A is equal to Atma as it ages, as we go on up till the Z. Z, what is our destination? Destination is to reach God's abode. God's abode is our ultimate destination of our Atma, where our Atma becomes the Paramatma. So, this Atma of A, as it travels towards the Z, Z is equal to Atma, that is, which is nearing the end of the circle of life. When it meets the Paramatma in the Z, you can ask me, what is this Z all about? Is it the Paramatma? Yes, it is the God. Z is equal to God, the end of your journey, the end of your circle of life, your end of your Atma, that is reaches its Paramatma. So, what is Z? Z is equal to the 26th alphabet. The 26th alphabet, if you add 2 plus 6, it is 8. 8 is the God of, when you interpret God, G is 7. O is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. And D is 4. 22 plus 4 is 26. So God is 26, and 26th alphabet is the Z, the last alphabet, where you end your journey of circle of life at God, that is the God, that is the 26th, that is the 26th alphabet Z. And this A is equal to Atma meets it unification with the Atma meets its unification with the Paramatma at the Z level, that is the 26th level, and there comes the union of the Atma with the Paramatma. So these things are not never no, we never ponder over such things, where the circle of life itself is hidden in the alphabetical letters. The A is equal to Atma, that reaches the end of the circle of life in the Z. Z is nothing but God. That is the 26th alphabet. 26th alphabet. So that when the 26th alphabet is met, it means that the Atma meets the Paramatma and merges one with the Z, that is the 26th alphabet, that is the God. God Himself is Paramatma, and the A Atma meets the Paramatma, and there the unification is done, and there the destiny, the goal of a human Atma is fulfilled. So this is the significance of A is equal to Atma, that meets its in the circle of life. It meets in the end the Paramatma, which is in the form of Z, the God, that is the 26th alphabet. The 2 plus 6 is 8, and 8 is equal to God.